Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser is leaking oil, it can create a mess and also reduce the life of your fragrance oil very quickly. You may notice oil collecting around the base, dripping from the bottle area, or even spreading on the surface where the diffuser is placed. This problem usually happens when the oil bottle is not fitted correctly, the unit is not placed properly, or there is a small issue with sealing inside the diffuser. Since these diffusers rely on a tight connection and proper airflow, even a slight misalignment can cause leakage. Sometimes overfilling the bottle or moving the diffuser frequently can also lead to this issue. It is important to fix the leak early to avoid damage and keep the diffuser working properly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a hotel collection diffuser leaking oil. Try these. 1. Turn off the hotel collection diffuser and unplug it before handling it. 2. Remove the oil bottle from the hotel collection diffuser and check the level. 3. Reinstall the oil bottle securely into the hotel collection diffuser without over tightening. 4. Place the hotel collection diffuser on a flat and stable surface. 5. Clean any spilled oil around the hotel collection diffuser and bottle connection. 6. Turn on the hotel collection diffuser again and check if the leaking has stopped.